So what do we mean by a full stack solution? Well, let's start with what the core is. If you don't know where you are, you can't tell where to go. So you've got to have an absolutely fantastic inertial sensor solution as part of your platform. And from the start, we've always been about very sophisticated sensor fusion taking place on the smallest platform possible. That's important when you get into high production environments and things like that. So between the sophistication of the sensor fusion, calibration that we do to these sensors even after they're manufactured, and then our own experience across a wide variety of applications, which include air, land, and sea applications. All that DNA goes into this being the perfect inertial sensor for autonomy. If you want to find out more, click on the link below or call one of us and we'll be happy to explain more about our inertial sensors.